What's going on, guys? No Job Rob here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you 3 simple breathing techniques that should be beneficial for you if you're feeling stressed out, anxious, feel like your thoughts are multi-tracking, there's a lot of noise in your mind, you're having difficulty focusing. The first technique is going to be great for tranquility and quieting down the mind. The second one is going to be a bit better for sharpening and invigorating the mind. And the third one is effective for achieving a blissful, euphoric state. There's always a risk of dizziness or lightheadedness or hyperventilation, so I'm going to recommend that you do these in a safe spot, sitting or lying down. But I'm going to recommend that you do these with me and incorporate them into your daily lives, and you should see some benefit in terms of your overall frame of mind. So the first one is actually something that's been incorporated as part of Navy SEAL training. It's called box breathing. It's been shown to be clinically effective as far as reducing stress and improving concentration. And all it entails is a cycle of inhaling for a set amount of time, holding your breath for that same amount of time, exhaling for that amount of time, and then holding your breath once again for that same allotment. So a recommended amount for each segment is 5 seconds each. However, a lot of people may not be used to holding their breath for that long, so if that's difficult, then you can reduce it, or if it's easy for you, then you can increase it to, say, 6 or 7 seconds. But let's just try a couple of cycles together of 5 seconds each, and again, you should notice a very zen, relaxed feeling come over you by the time you're done with this. So with me on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And good. So you can do that as many times as you want, pretty much on demand. You know, if you're starting to notice that anxiety swelling up within you, maybe you're just sitting in your car. I mean, I wouldn't recommend doing it while driving, but pretty much anytime you need to hit the reset button and calibrate, something very simple and effective that you can do. Now, the second one is something introduced to me by Tony Robbins. I actually discovered it in the book Tools of Titans by Tim Ferriss. Again, very simple and straightforward, but this one is a little more invigorating, a little more rapid, and you start to get a bit of a zest and an oxygen high from doing this one. So all we're going to be doing here is taking 4 quick breaths, inhaling through the nose, and 4 quick exhales, very stunted, like staccato like, through the mouth. So I'll demonstrate for you with a couple of cycles. So all right, so let's go ahead and do 8 of those together, and we'll start on 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm feeling a bit of lightheadedness, a little dizziness, a little bit of an oxygen high like I described. But you can pretty much do that as you see fit as long as you're in a safe setting. If you kind of look around, you'll get that sort of tingling, glowing sensation. Or as Wim Hof would put it, getting high on your own supply. So again, very simple, 4 short, rapid inhales through the nose and 4 short, rapid exhales through the mouth. So if you're ever wondering how Tony Robbins is able to get that much energy, there are certainly quite a number of other things that he does, but that gets him certainly pumped up to go back out on the stage for 8 to 10 hours at a time. In this last one, you're going to be a bit surprised with the intensity of. It actually invokes what you could almost think of as a hallucinogenic state. And this one, quite simply, is going to entail 2 rapid inhales through the nose, 1 long exhale through the mouth. So being that it's a cadence of about 3 beats, on 3, I'm going to have you do 10 of these with me. So 1, 2, 3. So as I open my eyes after doing that, I feel invigorated, I feel somewhat high, I feel in almost a transcendental state of consciousness. And again, this is very abbreviated for this video. You can certainly do this much more than what I'm conveying to you now. Laying down with your eyes closed in a state of comfort, maybe with some binaural beats or some other soothing but not distracting meditational soundscapes in the background. Some guided meditations are great. I've been listening to a lot of Clark Kegley, Aaron Dowdy, plenty of great resources for that on YouTube. As far as the last one is concerned, there was actually an episode of Good Mythical Morning. I'll link it in the description below this video. But the two hosts laid flat on their back with a guide, and that's really all they had to do was the quick and really it was almost an emotional experience for them, being that it was so intense and so unfamiliar and such a rush. So honestly, guys, I mean, meditation is a lot more popular now than it was, in previous decades, but it's still something that people dismiss. They think of it as being very corny or just very woo-woo, but it's the easiest thing that you can do to gain mastery over your own thought processes and emotional state. And being that so much is governed by our emotions and our stress and our anxiety levels, and we have so much to contend with as far as external stimuli vying for our attention, muddling up our thoughts, making it very difficult to even figure out what we're thinking about. For me, that was something I was struggling with, is just my mind multi-tracking so much to the point where so many different things were flooding my mind at the same time that it was impossible for me to really follow any train of thought to any sort of destination or any sort of state of productivity. The best way I can describe it is my thoughts resembled CD skipping. So you can imagine the level of anxiety that can cause and how difficult it can be to function effectively in that state. So I'm really glad I'm incorporating this. Hopefully that was helpful to you guys. If so, definitely hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment below. Let me know that you want to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to record them. And looking forward to getting more consistent content back out to you guys to help you all achieve more time, location, and financial freedom in your lives. So thank you guys for watching today. Again, this has been No Job Rob. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys very soon on the channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, everybody.